Nyisha here, just an average girl, and we're back with Prime Month. And as you can see, we're down to 3 more boxes. However, we'll be working on box number 10, which is all about the hips. So let's get to it. As always, thank you for tuning into my channel. I couldn't have reached where I'm at without you. I'm so close to reaching 4,000 watch hours. If you could please help spread your favorite videos from this channel to your favorite stomping grounds, or come say hi on my live stream, every little bit helps. So another box is complete. I will say, these hips don't lie. I mean, this is looking fantastic. All right, 15.6. So it added, what I said, 6 a piece. So this was a total of 12 by itself. So it just added 3 more pounds. So for the most part, yeah, it's getting heavier, people. I can't express how heavy this thing is getting, but I mean, just look at this. We're almost finished. All that's left is just the upper body, the head, and then we just attach the arms and we have a full metal Optimus Prime. Without the base, this Optimus is technically 31 inches, which is 2 feet and 7 inches. Whereas this one, you're looking about 21 centimeters,
which when you round it comes to about a foot.
Versus him, he's eventually going to be, you know, almost 3 feet. With the base, makes him 3 feet, but there's still a moderately good height compared to me, a collector. Overall, like I said, metal, paper, it's Optimus. I love it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So stay tuned for box 11, where we will do the upper body, the spine and all that stuff. And then box 12, which will complete everything. And I will have it displayed. I will get the base for it, so that way it's gonna be one awesome centerpiece. I'm thinking probably for my dining room and stuff, a nice centerpiece. Still up in the air and whatnot to what I want to do. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, like, subscribe, share. And if you haven't watched the videos where I've put this together from scratch, you can check out the playlist right here.